guys, I'm back to Goth on Budget, and today we're going to be making a jewelry display out of this old display I found at Goodwill. Let's get started on our G.I.Y. Goth It Yourself. So you'll need some hot glue, scissors, maybe a razor blade, maybe a lighter if you want a burn look. So I am just ripping all this apart so I can make I want to go for a corpse bride dress. It's going to be really cute, especially with the upcoming Halloween season. And make sure to save all the scraps because I'm going to be reusing that tool. And the lace too. After you're done cleaning it, make sure all the glue and whatnot's off. And I'm gonna wrap the lace and whatnots around the body. And then I'm gonna use the tool on the bottom to make it look like a little poofy. Please be careful with hot glue. I know how many times I burnt myself with hot glue. It hurt. So now that I finished the final pieces, I did use a lighter to burn those edges. I'm going to spray paint it with black spray paint and silver spray paint. Black I'm going to use on the dress to, again, make a quartz bride look, and the silver for the metal parts, so that way the jewelry will stand out. So excuse this camera angle. I was using my phone at the time, and it wasn't the best. I'm also doing this one-handed. And this is the end results. I am in love with this. I will eventually put it on something higher, maybe like a block to hang up longer necklaces. But thank you guys for watching. I hope to see what you guys created. Thank you.